Hello, everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install a new agent. We were required to install PostgreSQL first before installing the agent app. Here is the PostgreSQL installer. It must be installed first, as it's required to store the database schema. To learn how to install PostgreSQL, please watch the tutorial on the website. Now, let's focus on how to install the new agent. Let's get started. Please double-click the SKYVVA integration agent application file, then click Run. Wait a few minutes for pop-up screen with Windows protected your PC. Then click More Info. Then click Run anyway. Wait a few minutes, it will pop up screen Welcome to SKYVVA integration agent. Click the Next button to continue. This screen simply shows the license terms for review before installing the SKYVVA integration agent. Then click Agree. In this step, the screen offers two agent modes, Install and Upgrade. The Install mode is used when the user has never installed an agent before. Please click on it. The Upgrade mode is used to update to the latest version. This mode will be covered in the next video. In this video, we will show you with Install mode. Then click Next to continue. On this screen, we provide a default folder at C:\program files /SKYVVA integration agent. I use the default folder, but the user can also choose a different location or click Browse to select another folder. Then click Next to continue. Please wait while setup is loading. This screen simply displays a screen with the Start menu folder for the SKYVVA integration agent versions shortcuts. Then click the Next button. This step is the agent service configuration. Agent service port. The default port is 9055, but make sure to enter a port number that is not already in use on your system. Agent username. The default is agent. Agent password. Input the password of agent. We can click Show button for view the password. Then click Next button. This step is for agent database configuration. Some fields already have default values. Database host. This is set to localhost if you selected it during the PostgreSQL installation. Database port. Default is 5432. Database name. Postgres. Database schema. Default is SKYVVA, but you can rename it, e.g., SKYVVA_9056. Database username. Postgres. Database password. Enter the password you created for the database during the PostgreSQL installation. Make sure all values are correct to ensure the agent can be installed successfully. Then click the Next button to continue. This screen displays a summary of the database and agent configuration. Click Install. After installation, the user must decide for an operation mode or use both modes. So, if you don't want to open the firewall, you must register your Salesforce org to use the agent in a non-opening firewall mode. But if you want to use the agent in the opening firewall mode, you must open the firewall and install a certificate. Finally, the new agent has been successfully installed. Click Finish to complete the process. After a successful installation, you can access the agent login from our local web browser using the URL and replace with your agent port. OK, login with agent username, agent password. Click Login. To view the system information screen showing the agent runtime and database runtime, our web app is used for registering the connection non-opening firewall. Please click on the Register the Salesforce org page. We show you how to register a connection. The non-open firewall connections allow you to authorize the connection without enabling Windows Defender Firewall or using a certificate, and the process runs asynchronously in the background. Screen to register a connection. Fill in the connection name. Enter the instance URL of the SKYVVA org. Select the authentication type. There are two options, username password or client credentials. For this registration, choose username password. Enter the username of the SKYVVA org. Enter the password of the SKYVVA org. Enter the client ID. Enter the client secret. To use the client ID and client secret flow, please watch the Salesforce video guide on how to create a connected app. Enter the security token. Then click Register button. The connection has been successfully registered. Click on the connection page to view the connection. It is in active status. When a connection is successfully registered, it is saved both in the agent control board and in the database. Go to the agent control board and ping the connection to verify that it is working properly. Go to Integration. View the Details tab. Then click on the Agent Control Board. Here's the Connection Configuration tab. Select Name of Connection in Destination. Click Continue. Ping Salesforce connection. The connection has been pinged and its status is online, confirming that the connection is successful. Finally, in this video, we are only showing how to install a new agent and register a non-open connection. The topic of how to use the non-opening firewall connection will be covered in another video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.